Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Uthfy 18,000 BTU mini split air conditioner, heat pump. Consists of the following features. Energy, efficient cooling and heating. This ETL certified mini split AC, featuring a 1-ton high power compressor and inverter heat pump, offers year-round comfort. Cooling and heating up to 1,250 square feet spaces while slashing energy bills by 25%. Its intelligent inverter technology adjusts power frequency, reducing compressor wear for a 30% longer lifespan and stable temperature control. 7 modes for all-year comfort. This 18,000 BTU split system AC unit offers 7 versatile working modes, along with 4 fan speeds. Enhanced with features like sleep mode, eco mode, swing mode, and turbo function, it meets diverse needs. Notably, filled with eco-friendly R32 refrigerant and boasting a 19 SEER2 grade ensure optimal performance and significant energy savings in summer. Ultra quiet operation. Operating within silent 25 decibels at low speed, this air conditioner provides a peaceful environment. The intelligent 24-hour timer, combined with its low noise performance, guarantees a serene and uninterrupted night's rest. Notably, the display screen on the indoor unit can be off when not in use, ensuring no disruption to your sleep, all while you enjoy the system's efficient cooling and heating functions. Complete installation kit and safe shipping. This mini split system includes a pre-charged indoor/outdoor unit, multi-function remote control, and all mounting hardware. For optimal performance, professional installation is advised. Ships in 2 secure boxes to prevent transit damage, delivered separately for your convenience. Easy cleaning and control. This Ductless air conditioner can automatically clean its interior and keep the air in your home fresh and clean. The handy remote control enables you to control this mini split AC unit from your comfortable bed or sofa conveniently. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.